Hello everyone. Today we will see some special case subtractions. I will show you what it is. Imagine the powers of 10. That is 10 to the power 2. We know it is 100. 10 to the power 3. We know it is 1000. So 10 to the power 5, which is 1 followed by 5 zeros. So it will be 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So this is how the powers of 10 are. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to subtract any number from a power of 10. We have a special formula for that. Let's see it. Let's see this example of 100 minus 52. So the formula says, ignore the first one, rest all digits, you have to make the sum of the digits equal to 9 except the last digit. I know it sounds a little confusing for you. I will explain how it is. So what is the first one? First pair we see is 0 minus 5. What we have to do is, you have to make the total of 0 and 5, which is 5, the total to 9. How to make the total of this to 9? That is, to add 4 to 5. Then it will become 9. Correct? The 0 plus 5 is 5. If you add a 4 to 5, it becomes the total of all the digits becomes 9. So the first step is to make the total of the digits to add up to 9. Here it is 0 plus 5 plus 4 is 9. But the last pair should be added up to 10 only, not 9. It should be added up to 10. So what plus 2 will give you 10? 8. So the last digit will be 8. When I discuss one more example, this will become more clear to you. The second example, 1000 minus 379. So the first step, ignore 1. Ignore the first one, just ignore it. Then you have to make the next set of digits add up to 9. That is 0 plus 3 will add up to 9. So what should be added? We should add 6. So that the total of this is 9. Okay. The next pair is 0 plus 7. 0 plus 7 should also add up to 9. So what should we add? We should add 2 to it. So that the sum is 9. 0 plus 7 plus 2 is 9. But the last pair should add up to 10, not to 9. Only the last pair should be added up to 10. So what should be added? We should add up 1 to get 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. So our answer is 621. So this is our next example. First step is to ignore this 1. You are not going to do anything with that 1. Ignore them. So rest all digits except the last one should be added up to 9. So 0 to be added up to 9, it will be 9 itself. Here it will be 4 because 5 plus 4 is 9. Here it will be 8 because 8 plus 1 is 9. And here it will be 8 because again 8 plus 1 is 9. And the last set of digits should be added up to 10. So it is 4. The answer is 94,184. Imagine how much time you would have taken if you were using the conventional borrowing method. It will take a long time, right? Using Vedic Maths, you can do it very quickly. Imagine this question. The first number is 10 to the power 7. The first number is 10 to the power 7. We have to subtract 4938 from 10 to the power of 7. You can do it like this with Vedic Maths trick. So ignore 1, this 0 becomes 9, this 0 becomes 9 again, this also will add up to 9. This pair will become 5 because 5 plus 4 is 9. Here the sum is already 9. So we don't have to add anything. It will be 0. Then this again will become 6 because 6 plus 3 is 9. And the last set of digits will be added up to 10. So it is 2. The answer is, this is our answer. Hope you all have understood this special case subtraction. Keep practicing this till it becomes very easy and thorough for you. Bye for now.